In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo a component in Figma. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Figma is a fantastic design tool, and knowing how to handle components effectively can really streamline your workflow. So let's dive right in. First things first, you need to open a design file in Figma. This can either be a new project or an existing design you've been working on. If you're unsure how to start, just click on New File or navigate to one of your previous projects via the Figma dashboard. Once you've opened a design file, we're ready to proceed to the next step. Now, for this tutorial, it's important that you have at least 2 layers that you want to turn into a component. Components in Figma allow you to create versatile design elements that you can reuse throughout your project. So if you haven't already, create or import at least 2 layers that you can work with. This could be anything from shapes to text or images. Once you're set with those layers, it's time to create the component. Select both of those layers by clicking on them while holding down the Shift key. Once they're highlighted, look for the Create Component option, which you can find in the toolbar or by right-clicking on your selection. By doing this, you turn those layers into a single, reusable component. Give yourself a moment to admire your work. It's a satisfying step. Now that you have your component created, let's talk about how to undo or delete it. Sometimes you might want to make changes, or perhaps you decided that a certain component isn't quite working for you. To undo a component, all you need to do is click on the component to select it, and then hit the Delete key on your keyboard. Instantly, that component will be removed from your design. It's important to note, however, if you delete a component that's in use elsewhere in your design, you'll affect those instances as well. Keep that in mind when you're making changes, especially if you're working on a large project with many interconnected components. If you've deleted a component by mistake, don't stress. Figma has a great undo function. You can simply press Command-Z on a Mac or Control-Z on a Windows system to bring back that last deleted component. This is a great safety net that helps mitigate any accidental deletions. So just to recap, first, open a design file, ensure you have at least 2 layers to work with, create your component, and then if you need to undo and delete it, simply click and hit the Delete button. It's quick and easy. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you work with components in Figma, the more comfortable you'll become with the various functionalities, including how to undo or remove them. I hope this tutorial helps you get one step closer to mastering Figma. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Happy designing!